What is up guys, Alex D back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the DJI Mini aerial camera bundle. This is only exclusive to Costco, so if you want to get this, you only have to be a Costco member. This whole thing costs $440. Make sure to subscribe. We're going to get into the review and unboxing right now. Well, this includes the DJI Mini 2. It comes with a micro SD card, extra battery, and this like purse case looking thing. What we're going to do is we have a knife right here. You could just open it up right here, like one of those satisfying unboxing videos. And there we are. Rip it open completely, all this plastic. I'm gonna put that aside, and here is the drone box. Open it right here, these two tabs. There it is. This is the most satisfying part of the whole unboxing. And yeah, here, let's just nicely pull it out. It's the whole entire kit all in a package. Look at this. This is just a bunch of stuff. Look at this. We have anything else in the box? Nope. No papers, no nothing, absolutely nothing. So let's see here where we're gonna start off. There's a small little buckle, so I guess we could just unopen that right now. Something really cool about this Costco exclusive package is that it just opens like this. Look, so we're gonna take it up. Here is the drone. Oh my god, this is the lightest thing I've ever held. What the heck? This is incredibly light. This is so light. I have no idea how to describe this. 249 grams. Here, we're gonna put this aside. We're gonna look what else is in there. See here, I'm pretty sure there's something more in here. And what do we get in here? I'm pretty sure it's the extra battery that comes in. So let's just open this up. We're gonna open it right here. Open side. Right here we got a screwdriver, because it said in the box. We have some cables to connect to the controller. USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to like this, I don't know what it is. And I'm pretty sure there's like an iPhone cable somewhere. Extra propellers. And we got a nice extra battery. Each battery lasts about 31 minutes of flying, 10 kilometers range. We have in here, so if we open this compartment, we have some tissue in here. Controller is right here, so we're just gonna open this right here. And we got a bunch of paperwork and instructions. Have the second main part of the whole thing. It is the controller. This is how it looks like. It's pretty bulky. We're gonna open this controller first. Right here, full Costco kit is a 90-day return policy. But here's the controller. This is how it looks like. Learn all these buttons, and yeah, pretty sure my phone goes up here. We're gonna look at that later. Right now, let's move on to the drone. I'm gonna take this off. Small lens protector right here, so we're gonna keep that on until the last second. Take this, fold it back. Oh, okay, that snaps into place real good. Next one, here is the entire drone. This is how it looks like. It is one of the most like popular drones out there, DJI Mini 2. There is the battery already pre-installed in here, and then here is the lens cover, so I guess we just take it off. There it is. The 4K camera has a stabilizer and a gimbal in it, so we're just gonna cover that back up and pretend we didn't open it. This combo also includes a SD card, so let's try to get it out. You push it in and out, and it gets a 32 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme. I'm gonna put that in right there, and if you want to charge the drone straight from it, it's USB-C right here. So this is how you open the battery from the hatch over here. And I'm pretty sure we could just push this in. Oh, what the? Here's the battery. It just kind of ejected it out all the way. But then here we have two batteries. Everything's cool. Yep, I pretty like this drone. This was the whole entire unboxing, guys. We're going to set it up later in another video. And yeah, this is my first impressions, all the accessories. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see y'all in another video.